Hey YouTube, my name is Jeff and welcome back to my series. I'm here to show off the final product of my 3D printing of a phone holder video. As you can see, the holder looks as intended, but sadly there are a couple issues which will have to be fixed in the next version. While the holder does its main task of holding my phone, the reason why I made this was to be able to charge my phone when it was docked. Due to a flaw in my design, the base of the holder was too short and it didn't allow the cable to sit flush to the phone and also sit flat on the desk. While the cable slot worked for a micro USB cable, if someone with a larger connector like the iPhone 4 wanted to use this, it wouldn't work. To fix this issue, I had the idea to increase the connector slot width in the new design. Additionally, there was an unneeded downward facing surface at the top of the holder which required the printer to make a tall thin support for it, which was a waste of time and material. To fix that, I will have to increase the size of the fillet at the top of the holder to be completely smooth, and on the inside, decrease the fillet so it's small enough for the printer to not require support. There was another unneeded support for the surface closest to the bottom of the holder which I plan to fix. To remove the need for that support, I will have to incorporate a slight slant on the inside of the holder that runs from the bottom to the main hollow area. While it wasn't a big concern, there was another issue with the holder. The lip that prevents the phone from slipping forward was hollow and was hard for the 3D printer to construct. To fix this slight issue, I will have to add a large fillet to the very top of the hollow part to make it solid and easier to print. The last issue that the holder had was that the fillet between the base where the phone rests and the back of the holder didn't print properly. I didn't expect for this to happen, and I couldn't find a reason why it didn't print. I plan to figure out what caused this, and if I can't find a reason, I'll run the new model through an STL repair program and hope for the best. If it ends up the same way on the new model, it won't be the end of the world because the phone will be covering it anyway. I plan on incorporating these fixes into the new model as soon as possible, and in my next video, I'll be showing off the final redesign of my CAD system and be talking about the changes I made. In a later video, I plan on reprinting this and start using it for what I originally designed it for. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome 3D modeling and printing videos.